Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a United Airlines plane. Start with a large, elongated oval forming the main body of your aircraft. Then, gently add two smaller symmetrical ovals beneath the fuselage, which will become the engine pods. Keep these first lines very light, making it easy to adjust your drawing as you go along. This foundational step sets the stage for the entire plane. Next, carefully draw the wings, making them long and slightly tapered as they extend outward from the fuselage. Remember to add a prominent vertical stabilizer at the very back, giving the plane its essential tail shape. Beneath that, sketch two smaller, horizontal stabilizers for balance and realism. These elements truly define the aircraft silhouette, preparing it for all the finer details. Now, refine the engine pods by adding circular intake and exhaust openings on each one. Focus on sketching the distinct cockpit windows at the plane's nose, ensuring they are proportionate. Don't forget to include the landing gear, drawing small rectangles for the wells and then the tiny wheels beneath them. These small details truly bring the plane to life. Finally, it's time to add the famous United Airlines markings. Carefully draw the blue and red globe logo onto the vertical tail stabilizer. Then, write United in clear, bold letters along the side of the fuselage, beneath the windows. Complete your drawing by adding a series of small, uniform windows and door outlines along the body. Your United Airlines plane is now finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.